Hello everyone, my name is Shivam Kumar Jha. I am currently a third year BTech student in computer science with specialization in AI and ML at SRM University main campus KTR. Today I am excited to walk you through my project, the OMR Evaluator. First, let me introduce the project to you. The OMR Evaluator is a web application designed to solve a common and time-consuming problem: manually grading OMR sheets. Traditionally, this process is slow, tedious, and highly susceptible to human error. My project automates this entire workflow, providing a solution that is not only fast and accurate but also offers a detailed analysis of result. Okay, so my entire project revolves around a straightforward workflow that has been optimized for a smooth user experience. Let me start it. So yeah, this is my user interface. When you first open the application, you are presented with a simple and clean interface. You can select the specific sets, set A and set B. Now you can choose the file. Then just click to evaluate. See, there is one summary report, each OMR sheet. So yeah, this entire front end is built using firstly I have made it using Flask, then I have to transform it to Streamlight, which allowed me to create an interactive web application with just a single Python file, making the development and deployment process incredibly fast. I have one evaluator dashboard. So yeah, this is my dashboard with several columns and rows like ID file, total score, and respective subjects with the timestamps. So yeah, so my backend processing, as soon as like I've seen this evaluate process. Okay, so my image pre-processing. Firstly, the image is converted to grayscale to simplify the analysis. Like then I have used contour detection using the OpenCV library in Python. The application finds and identifies the circular bubbles on the OMR sheet. Let me show you. Wait, I've seen this earlier. So yeah, this is using contour detection, bubble analysis for correct and incorrect, a simple but effective ML model using logistic regression model from scikit-learn library in Python. Then it classifies whether the bubble has been marked correct or incorrect. It essentially checks the darkness or density of the ink inside the bubble. So yeah, this is the technical part. Okay. My application compares the marked bubbles to a predefined answer key and calculates the total score. It also computes a subject-wise score, yeah, giving a more detailed breakdown in like a report summary. As a final step, the application generates a new version of the uploaded image annotated with green check marks for correct answers. As I already mentioned, for wrong ones, it is red crosses. This provides clear and immediate feedback to the user. Once the processing is complete, the application presents a detailed result page, that summary one. It shows the total score, breakdown scores for each subject. Yeah, the tech stack I have used for the project, which made it possible. Python, the main primary language for the entire project. And then I have earlier used Flask, but I have to transform it to the Streamlit for front-end and web application framework. Its simplicity and ability to create interactive dashboards for single script were 100% crucial for me. Then like OpenCV, the heart of computer vision, like it is a library in Python, the which handles all the complex image manipulation, like finding those bubbles and etc. NumPy and imutils, these are essential helper libraries I have used in my project for efficient numerical operations on image data, while imutil provides a set of convenience functions like common image processing tasks, etc. And then I've used skittit-learn for learning line from machine learning library. It uses logistic regression model within it used to make the final determination of whether a bubble is marked or not marked, like for ensuring a higher level of accuracies. Then I have used the pandas library for handling the data, particularly for managing the answer key and organizing the evaluation results. My initial plan was to build this application using Flask, as I already mentioned, but I encountered some challenges with its deployment, specifically getting the front end and back end to communicate seamlessly on a cloud platform. Like first, I have tried in Hugging Face Space, but it was not successful. So then I switched to Streamlight Cloud. So yeah, to simplify the process, uh, I made the decision to migrate entire project to Streamlight because of this only. But yeah, it turned out to be a great choice because Streamlight is perfectly integrated with Streamlight Cloud, which made deployment incredibly easy. Like see, this is my deployed app, Streamlight. Yeah, it gives UI pretty cool subject-wise scores and the answer sheet, etc. Gives good admin dashboard vibe also. So yeah, it also has option to download data as CSV. So I have used sorry, I have used actually I have generated my data set for like around 30 samples with filled one and unfilled one to use ML based classification. So yeah, I have used machine learning also to enforce my project here. Yeah, one more thing. I have made one separate JSON file for answer keys so that we don't need to like always go for that Python code to edit it and add those results. So for that, I have used answer keys.json, a JSON file which consists of my answers. And now I have committed my code to GitHub repository, ensuring that app.py file and requirement.txt file were in place, like all the dependencies for the Streamlight Cloud. Streamlight Cloud also automatically detects the new files, read the requirement dot like as per their dependencies. So yeah, after that, within minutes, my application was live and accessible to anyone with the URL. Even I have tried with my mobile phone. It is working 100% sure shot. This streamlined process completely removed the complexity of traditional web app deployment, like which we face in Netlify render. It is like a little time-taking process. So beyond just a single sheet evaluation, I also built an admin dashboard, which I have showed you. Also, I have made it authenticated, password protected, that allows an administrator to log in and view a history of evaluated sheets, like for our faculty and that responsible persons. Most importantly, the dashboard has a data export feature that allows you to download all the results as a CSV file. Like it is essential for record keeping and all. So yeah, this project has been an extremely incredible learning experience for me. I've also faced challenges like module dependency errors, which I debugged meticulously, updating the requirements.txt file. I also learned the importance of choosing the right tools, like the transformation from Flask to Streamlight was a perfect example of that. Ultimately, this project strengthened my skills in computer vision, machine learning, and web application development. Like first time I have deployed my app using Streamlight Cloud. Previously, I always used like Netlify, Render, Vercel, but first time I have used this Streamlight Cloud and also that Hugging Face. But due to some errors and challenges, I haven't used that. I've used Streamlight Cloud. So yeah, I successfully created a functional, accurate, and easy to use application from scratch. I've learned many things, many new things. So these are the tries I have used so many times. So these are my files and data set results which I have directly saved using SQLite results.db. I have used little much CSS, but yeah, my main motive was a functional app. This is for dashboard HTML. This is index, login page, logout page, results for results. These check bubbles.py I've used for like separately moving out from that filled and unfilled part that is manually time taking. That's why I use this tool, check bubbles.py Python. This part I have used for generating the data set, that 30 sample I told you. This is the ml model.py. This is my model using logistic regression. And this is the main part of my project, OMR processor. Hello. Yes, this is the profile and requirements I've used. Okay, this is for Flask. Actually, I have deployed using GitHub, so I have updated in GitHub only. Here I need to update it. So yeah, this was my failed try. So yeah, this much only. Ultimately, this project strengthened my up skills like in computer vision, ML, web application development from scratch. So yeah, so that's it. Thank you for your time. The app is live now. You can try it out. And you can get all my codes in my GitHub repository. Uh, yeah, now I am open for any feedback or any questions you might have. Okay, thank you. Thank you a lot.